This experiment is done with spray paint. I call it a float. The principle is that oil and water do not mix. So I've done this with water, and I've done it with really watery acrylic. And you actually pour water. You can pour it on your canvas. You can pour it on your paper, watercolor paper. We've done it underneath oil. We've done it underneath all different kinds of media. And then you spray into the water. And it's going to resist and make a shape where the pour of water is. And the paint will spray around it. And then the surface of the water then can be poured off. Dump that off there. And you have what is left on your paper. That's really an interesting shape on the board, so I'm going to try picking it up again, since this is on my plastic, in kind of an effort of a monotype. And then that is much more interesting there, where it picked that up where the paint was a second time. So usually if you're doing it, you can get kind of that marbleized look that's happening on there. So I'll add a little bit more water into this. This time maybe some metallic paint. And different paints will do different things. Depending on the surface, or if really mixed with acrylic. I've had some really interesting effects of what happens pouring on water with acrylic. So I'm going to go ahead and dip that across there, and then you can see the kind of marbleizing look that's happening with that, and that is a float.